Hello, hi there. This is Ash from Down Under. I mean Australia. And if you can see me upright, that probably means you're in Australia or New Zealand too. Or maybe that he just got his geography all wrong. So, anyway, if you're in the Australia New Zealand region, I have an important announcement for you from the world of robotic process automation, more specifically, UiPath. Over the past 7 or 8 years, the UiPath community has grown significantly and continues to do that still today. We wanted to give the RPA community, UiPath or otherwise, a platform to connect with each other and exchange and share ideas. That's why I'm very excited to introduce to you UiPath Community Day, Sydney. We are inviting everyone from the RPA and intelligent automation space to come and join us on 7th September 2023 in Sydney. The details are in the link below. Whether you are an RPA beginner or an expert practitioner, there is something for everyone to take away from this event. This one-day event will feature sessions about UiPath Communications Mining, a very new addition to the UiPath platform, and document understanding, complete with a demo of the document understanding technology at the end. Any participant can take part in quizzes and other events to win community giveaways, and of course, a lot of opportunities to connect and network with the best in the RPA industry today. Yours truly will be there as a facilitator of the event, so make sure to come say hi or just give a shout if you need any help when you are at the event. The registration link is in the description of this post, and I look forward to seeing you there. Cheers!